Hello students, welcome back to our channel General Studies with Anup K Verma। स्क्रीन पर आपको एक क्वेश्चन पेपर दिख रहा है। ये पेपर है कर्नाटका PSI का, दैट इज कर्नाटका PSI का एग्जाम हुआ है आपका 18 दिसंबर 2022 को। और इस पेपर के अंदर 100 क्वेश्चंस हैं, जिसके अंदर हम स्पेसिफिकली जो जनरल स्टडीज़ के क्वेश्चंस हैं, कुछ आपके जो सिंपल क्वेश्चंस आपकी रीजनिंग के हैं वो हम सॉल्व कर लेंगे। बाकी मोस्टली फोकस जो है हमारा रहेगा वो जनरल स्टडीज़ के जो क्वेश्चंस हैं, जीएस के क्वेश्चंस, उन पर रहेगा। उन क्वेश्चंस को हम यहाँ पर देखेंगे, उनके करेक्ट आंसर्स क्या होंगे उनको यहाँ पर हम डिस्कस करेंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आपके पहले क्वेश्चन के साथ में। काफ़ी सिंपल क्वेश्चन आपको देखने को मिल रहा है, बट थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है। नॉट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड, थोड़ा सा आपको नॉलेज चाहिए होगी इस चीज़ के लिए कि लेटराइट सॉइल आर बेसिकली, देखिए लेटराइट सॉइल जो है आपका जो कर्नाटक डेक्कन का जो प्लेटू है वहाँ पर आपको देखने को मिलती है इस टाइप की सॉइल। और दिस इज नॉट गुड फॉर द फर्टिलिटी, मतलब ये नॉट फर्टाइल होती है। तो यहाँ पर करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर बी, नॉट फर्टाइल। लेटराइल सॉइल आर द नॉट फर्टाइल। Eklavya Award is given by the government of Karnataka for the outstanding performance in the field of sports. Option C is the correct answer for the question number 2. Then we are moving with the question number 3. So question number 3, blue flag certification. It is related with the basically eco-friendly या environment friendly and clean beaches के लिए. This is given for the beaches. Option 2B is the correct answer. Cigarette smoking reduce oxygen carrying capacity of the lungs due to the, just wait for a minute, थोड़ा सा हम इसको नीचे कर लेते हैं ताकि जो फोर्थ पॉइंट है वो भी हमें दिख जाए। ओके, क्वेश्चन 4 है। यहाँ पर जो करेक्ट आंसर होगा, प्रेजेंस ऑफ हाई कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड इन द ब्लड, जिसकी वजह से ऑक्सीजन कैरिंग कैपेसिटी जो लंग्स की हो वो क्या हो जाती है, रिड्यूस हो जाती है। ऑप्शन सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4। देन वी आर मूविंग फॉर द क्वेश्चन नंबर 5। IUCN की जो रेड लिस्ट है आपकी, IUCN रेड लिस्ट जो है उसके अंदर वर्ल्ड की मोस्ट कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव इंफॉर्मेशन है ऑन द थ्रेटन स्पीसीज ऑफ किसकी, एनिमल्स की स्पीसीज भी यहाँ पर इंक्लूडेड रहती हैं, प्लांट की स्पीसीज भी हैं और फंगस की भी स्पीसीज है। तो दैट मीन्स यहाँ पर करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन नंबर डी, 1, 2 and 3। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एनिमल हैज द लॉन्गेस्ट गेस्टेशन पीरियड, दैट इज द एलिफेंट। ऑप्शन नंबर बी यहाँ पर क्या है, करेक्ट आंसर है फॉर द क्वेश्चन नंबर 6। देन हम बात करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 की। तो ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 को की हम जब बात करते हैं तो यहाँ पर जो करेक्ट आंसर आएगा आपको सॉल्व करने के बाद जो आंसर आएगा दैट इज 36 आएगा। ठीक है, ऑप्शन नंबर बी यहाँ पर क्या होगा, करेक्ट आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, तो यहाँ पर आपको मैक्सिमम मार्क्स पूछा गया है, तो यहाँ पर जो करेक्ट आंसर होगा दैट इज 250। ठीक है, 250 इज द करेक्ट आंसर। इसको मैंने सॉल्व किया है तो मेरे को आंसर्स जो मिले हैं तो वो मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ यहाँ पे। ठीक है, चलिए फिर हम बढ़ते हैं आगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 की तरफ। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 है आपका, चौरी चौरा जो इंसिडेंट 1922 के अंदर होता है उसकी वजह से क्या होता है, महात्मा गांधी का जो नॉन कॉर्पोरेशन मूवमेंट था वो क्या हो जाता है, वापस ले लिया जाता है। ठीक है, तो ऑप्शन नंबर सी यहाँ पर करेक्ट आंसर है। विच गैस इज रिलीज्ड बाय द प्लांट ड्यूरिंग द नाइट आवर्स, दैट इज द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड। ऑप्शन ए यहाँ पर क्या है, करेक्ट आंसर है फॉर द क्वेश्चन नंबर 10। देन हम बात करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 की। सो स्टोरी ऑफ द रिसेंटली रिलीज्ड मूवी कांताकारा इज बेस्ड ऑन द भूत थारे धाने। ठीक है, दैट इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर रहेगा यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन नंबर 11। क्वेश्चन नंबर 12, सेक्शन 144 CRPC बेसिकली ये आपका रिलेटेड है विद द अनलॉफुल असेंबली से रिलेटेड। ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर द क्वेश्चन नंबर 12। देन वी आर मूविंग फॉर द क्वेश्चन नंबर 13। सो नेशनल यूनिटी डे इज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन द 31st of October and here is provide opportunity for the education to the child and ward between the age group of 6 to 14 years is added as a fundamental duty through the amendment of the 86th amendment which is happened in the 2002. Option A is the correct answer for the question number 14. Then we are moving with the question number 15. Who is the chairperson of the council of the state? Here we ask for the council of state, that means the Rajya Sabha. So who is the chairperson? That is Vice President of India, ex officio chairperson. Question number 16, which of the following is the central armed forces? So here is the CISF is the central armed force, Central Industrial Security Force. And question number 17, Indian Institute of Plantation Management is located in question number 17, located in the Bangalore, that is option D is correct answer. Spice saffron is obtained from, basically it is obtained from the stigma and style part, but here is no option, but I think option C is the correct answer for this question, flower. So stigma and style is also the part of the flower. Okay. So next we will move with the question number 19. So in question number 19, Siddhi ethnic group mostly live in which part of the Karnataka? So in the it is lived in the Uttar Kannad area. Uttar Kannad area, that is option number B is correct answer. Novel The Seven Moons of Mali Almeida won the Booker's Prize for 2022 is written by the that is, here is the correct answer for the question number 20. Option number B is the correct answer. Snehan is the correct answer. Option number B. Question number 21. Hunter Commission was appointed for which reason? For the Jallianwala Bagh tragedy. Option B is the correct answer. For the question number 22, in this question, statements are there. So in this question, statements are mentioned for regarding the state legislative council. So here all the three statements, sorry, not all the three. So first statement, one third shall be elected by the electoral consisting of the members of municipalities and district boards and such other local authorities of the state. The first statement is correct. 1/12th member of the electoral consists of the person having the engaged in the teaching and educational institute. Second statement is also a correct option, and third one is that 1/12th shall be elected by the electorate consisting of the person residing in the state who has been graduate from any university. This is also a correct. 1/3 of the elected, 1/3 shall be elected by the member of legislative assembly of the state. So all the 4 points are the correct. So answer is here option number D. Option number D is the correct answer for this question number. So we will move for the next question. Question number 23. Sovereign gold bond. What is sovereign gold bond? This is the government security dominated in the gram of gold. That is option B is the correct answer here. So next question number 24. So in this question number 24, following pairs are given. So Jawaharlal Nehru Center for the Advanced Study and Advanced Scientific Research. It is in Bangalore. Raman Research Institute. This is in 24th question. This is in the this is not in Hyderabad. This is not in Hyderabad. So this option is wrong. National Tuberculosis Institute, it is in Bangalore, or National Botanical Research Institute, this is in Lucknow. So 1, 3 and 5 is correct answer. 1, 3 and 4. So option B is correct answer for this particular question, 24 number question. This is the question number 24. Then we are moving for the next question. So next question is question number 25. What is Gucci? Gucci is basically a kind of mushroom, edible mushroom, basically a kind of mushroom. This is option C is correct answer. River Narmada flows through which states? From the Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. From Jharkhand, not this. So 1, 2, 3 is correct answer. That is option number A यहाँ पर correct answer है for the question number 26. Then we will move for the question number 27. Question number 27. Which of the following Indian states shares border with the Bangladesh? So here Mizoram shares the border with the Bangladesh. That is option B is correct answer. Read the following term with respect to the malware and find the unconnected word. That is here is the correct answer for the question number 28. That is Java. All these are the viruses in the terms of all these are malwares, but this is a program. Okay, Java is the program language. This is a language, not program. Basically, this is a language. Option number D is correct answer. Dengue is spread through the mosquito. Option number B is the correct answer for the question number 29. Then we will move for the question number 30. This is a reasoning question. I am skipping this question. So 30, 31 and 30. Okay, 30 and 31 we are skipping. 32 is also skipped because this is a reasoning question. I am skipping the reasoning and mathematical questions especially. Or okay, this question is Kendriya Sahitya Academy Award winning Kannada book Baveli Guhe is written by the Tamanna Begare. That is option number B is the correct answer for the question number 33. Next question number 34. Which of the following is not a folk dance of Karnataka? That is Kuchipudi is from the Andhra Pradesh. That is option C is the correct answer. So in the question number 35, this is basically a logical question, a decision making type question. This question also I am skipping this time. Okay. And question number 36, missing word thermometer is related with the temperature, anemometer is related to the wind speed. Okay. And question number 37 is also a decision making type question. So skipping that one. Okay, 38 question number. Which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? Not a greenhouse gas पूछा है, that is argon is not a greenhouse gas. That is option number D is correct answer for the question number 38. Then 39 number question. Artistic and literary work are usually protected by which type of intellectual property right? That is the copyright. Option number C is correct answer for this question number 39. Then we will move for the 40 number question. Pasteurization involves which of the following? That is heating of food kills the harmful microorganism. Option number option number B is the correct answer for this question. Question number 40. Next question number 41. Which of the following is not a feature of Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana? So opening and saving bank account is the feature. Providing debit rupee card to the beneficiary. Accidental insurance cover is also included. Zero interest on education loan to the child of beneficiary. This is not included in the part of the. This is not the part of the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. That is option number D is the correct answer for this 41 number question. Then we will move for the question number 42. Okay, this is mathematical section. I am skipping that one. 43 number question. The song is there. So this song is written by the Kuvempu. Okay. Option number C is the correct answer. Question number 44. Which of the following plant was brought to India as an ornamental plant but has become a weed? So that is the Lenthane. That is option A is the correct answer for the question number 44. Then we will move for the question number 45 is a simple question you can solve. After solving this you will get the -3. And which is not the cryptocurrency? Here is a peso is not a cryptocurrency. Option D is the correct answer for the question number 48. Sorry, 46, not 48. Okay, 47, 48, 49. Okay, these are the reasoning sections. I am skipping that one. Acronym OTT stand for the over the top. That is option B is the correct answer for the question number 50. Next, we will move for the question number 51. So in 51 number question, which of the following term is not related to the tennis? So in the tennis, that is clinch. Clinch is not related with the tennis. 51 is correct answer, option number D. So 52 number question is also a decision making type question. Okay. For the decision making type question, you have to rely on the especially board decision, what they think about that. Okay, next question is member countries of BRICS. That is the Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. That is option B is correct answer. And next question is Gokak agitation in 1980 was related to which? So this is related with the language right agitation. That is option D is the correct answer for the question number 54. Kanda. Ananda Kanda is a pen name of Betagiri Krishna Sharma. That is option number C is the correct answer for the question number 55. Okay, it might be possible that some words or some names I maybe my pronunciation will not be accurate, so don't bother about that. So next question is question number 56. Number of police commissionerate in Karnataka, that is 4. Option A is the correct answer for the question number 57. Terminal 2 of Kempegowda International Airport, Bangalore is based on the central theme of the terminal is in garden. Option number D is the correct answer for this. And the question number 58. That is Kumardhara river is joined Netharvati river at the Upingadi. That is option A is the correct answer. Which of the following animal are susceptible to foot and mouth disease? That is the cow, sheep, and pigs. All are for this. The correct answer is option number D. All of these. 59 correct answer, option number D. Next question. Who is the universal receptor? So on universal receptor is AB. Option B is the correct answer. So next question is, which is the richest source of vitamin A? So here vitamin A is the richest source for the mango. Option C is the correct answer. Swimming pool always looks shorter in depth than it is actually. It is because of the refraction. Because in the refraction, rays coming and bend down. So because of this reason, depth is showing some different angles or different depth. Okay, highest producer of tea in the world, that is China. Who among the following is not a squash player? So Jwala Gupta is not a squash player. She is a badminton player. Option D is the correct answer. Question number 64. Now we will move for the question number 65. Who won Oscar 2022 award for the best leading actor? That is Will Smith. Option B is correct answer. A Picco movement started in Karnataka uh, that is Sirsi, Uttar Kannad area. That is option number D is correct answer for the question number 66. Okay, next question is question number 67. Survana Vidhana Sudha is located in this is located in Belagavi. That is option C is the correct answer for the question number 67. Which of the following do not have the geographical indication tag? So 68 question correct answer is uh, Chanapatna Patna mango. Basically this is not listed under the GI tag. So next question is 69 number question. So in this question, which of the following statement is true with respect to the earthworm? Earthworm loosen and mix the oxygen to the soil, improve the soil structure. Right, correct statement. Next, earthworm plays an important role in decomposition of organic matter. This is statement is also a right. Vermicompost is prepared using the earthworm. This is also a right. So all the three statements are correct. So correct answer is option number D. 1, 2, 3. Next, we will move for the question number 70. So in question number 70, mangrove forests are mostly found in the coastal areas, especially in the I can say that the uh, India's eastern area, especially. But correct answer is coastal area. Kevladev National Park is in Rajasthan. Option number A is the correct answer for the question number 71. Then we will move for the 72 number question. Kitale College is located in Dharwad. That is option B is correct answer. Kinil Art is a traditional wood craft located to the district of here is the Koppal. Option B is the correct answer. 73rd question correct answer option number B Koppal. Next question in rotational thinking. In rotational thinking, 70 sorry 74 number question. Rotational thinking, decision and thoughts are based on the reasons. That is option number A is the correct answer. And question number 75. Which technique can be used to determine the years of death in case of unidentified human remains? So that is the carbon dating. Option number D is the correct, sorry, C is the correct answer, not D. Okay. Next, we will move for the question number 76. Excess growth of algae in water indicates that water is polluted. That is option number C is the correct answer. Canara Bank was founded by the uh, Amendabai Subborao Pai. That is option number A यहाँ पर करेक्ट आंसर रहेगा क्वेश्चन नंबर 77. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 78. Independent country of Bangladesh was formed in the 1971. Option number D is correct answer. Padma awardee Belle Manoppa Hegde is basically a cardiologist. Option number B is the correct answer for the question number 79. Next question is uh, light production. 80 number question. Light production in fireflies is an example of. 80 number question correct answer is light produced by a chemical reaction within the living organism. That is option number B is correct answer for the question number 80. Next question is 81 number question. Why the annual monsoon based fishing ban imposed on Karnataka every year to facilitate fish breeding, as the monsoon in the breeding season for the fish? That is option B is the correct answer for the question number 81. Next question is question number 82. Objective of Dandi Satyagrah to protest against the salt tax. Option D is the correct answer for the question number 82. Then we will move for the question number 83. Why does a person float on a dead sea? So because of the high density of the water. So option C is the correct answer for the question number 83. 84. Which of the following statement are true with respect to the DPSPs? So they acts as a guideline of the state. That is option A is the correct answer for the question number 84. Then we will move for the question number 85. Which of the following chemicals can be used in the manufacturing of explosive? That is the ammonium nitrate. Option number D is correct answer. Anaerobic respiration in our body muscle produces lactic acid and energy. That is option number C is the correct answer for the question number 86. 87 number question. The Golden Chariot is the name of the luxury train. Option number A is correct answer. Central Institute of Indian Languages is located in the Mysore. That is option number B is the correct answer for the question number 88. Then we will move for the question number 89. Gravitational forces of Earth is a maximum at the pole. That is option number B is correct answer. Which of the following is not an Internet on Things devices? That is in this question I have a little bit doubt, so that I am skipping this question. If you know the correct answer, please write in the comment box. So next question is question number 91. Which of the following application is not owned by the Meta platform? That is the Twitter is not owned by the Meta platform. Lingamakami Dam जो है Makki Dam is constructed over the Shravati river. That is option number B is the correct answer for the question number 92. Next question is 93 number question. So which of the following is not an example of metal handicraft? So yeah, here is the correct answer. Bidri art. That is option number C is the correct answer for the question number 93. Okay, next question is 94th. Gangubai Hangal is a well-known singer of Hindustani music. That is option number A correct answer होगा. Then we will move for the question number 92. Monkey fever is caused by the virus. That is option number A is correct answer for the question number 96. 95 after 95, 96, just a minute, 96 number question. Which of the following includes products and services offered by the Mysore Sale International Limited, a public sector undertaking? That is, here is the correct answer for this question. Retail liquor. That is option number C is only the correct answer. Only one point is the correct answer. Next question. Halikar breed of cattle is a native of this is a native of the place of Karnataka. That is option number B is the correct answer for this question. Next question is 98 number question. The system of air quality and weather forecast and research. The project is an initiative of the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate. That is option number B is the correct answer for the question number 98. Then we will move for the last two questions. Our last two questions are the term revenge travel. That means 99 correct answer is traveling that follows the period of being unable to travel. That is option number A is the correct answer. So next question is last question, 100 number question. So that is the which of the following is not an indirect tax? Not an indirect tax, that is the capital gain tax is not an indirect tax. This is a direct tax basically. Okay. So these are the 100 questions of Karnataka PSI examination, which is held on 18th of December 2022. If you like the video, please like the video and share the video, and if you are the new in the channel, please subscribe the channel. So we will meet soon in the next upcoming paper. So thank you for watching.